Hey, welcome back to Flesh Maintenance. I'm gonna turn this 1/4 inch ratchet into either a bit driver or a 3/8. We're gonna see which one will fit in there. I got both Tecton bit 1/4 inch bit holder, and then I got the 3/8 envoy. So we'll see. It's the first time I did it. We'll see what it's all about, man. I keep seeing people doing it, and we'll. Would love it if it worked. So the bit doesn't work for it. So we'll have to figure out which one that one would go for. Alright, so we're going on to the next one. Yeah, I mean, it's a brand new ratchet, so I shouldn't have to change anything but the amvoid, or whatever they call this bad boy. Let's say it fits right in there without changing anything. It's definitely tight. Don't want to lose that spring. There she goes. It's pretty easy to do it. I think it's pretty easy doing it. It's not working yet, so let's make sure we get it back together and it clicks on and all that stuff. All right. Hey. Got the 3/8 and the quarter. Really, the only reason why I did this right now because client has these for our client. Harbor Freight has these for like 26 bucks, and then you get this for 9. You know, we're talking 35 bucks for a 3/8 small ratchet. You know, they have Texan has the small body 3/8 for 40 bucks, but then you have to buy this, so it's still 50 bucks for it. So this is still cheaper than that. Everybody would say go ahead and do that, but why do that when you can get it for right now? You can get it inside track. You can get the ratchet for 26 bucks. And you get this for for 9. So I got this ratchet right now. Seems pretty nice. I just want to make sure I got it working. I'm gonna take it apart and put the grease back in there because once I grease it, it's gonna be my new used ratchet. Probably this is probably the one I'm gonna grab all the time because I mean I do work on a bunch of big heavy equipment sometimes, but mostly it's small stuff like this that I need a small ratchet, but just with a bigger head to have the power to do it, you know. So I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm glad I finally did it. It just seemed like it was the perfect time to do it. Cut that off. We're gonna that's probably more than enough. With the grease in there, I can't see it. Maybe I put too much grease in there. We'll see. All right. It's nice you don't have to change the faceplate or anything. Even that's good. And you know what? If it ever goes bad, I'll just put the quarter back in there and take it back to Harbor Freight. Why not, right? It's a beautiful thing about having it. We'll just this is the best of both worlds right here. So something didn't line up right. She's definitely really cool. I'm excited about it. Should have been needing those. Should have done this at work. There it goes. That spring must have popped out of this home. Now we know it's grease in there. We ain't gotta worry about that grease forever. And ever. And ever. I'm actually excited about using this. All right. Oh, man, it's even smoother now. By golly. That little bit of grease, I'm glad I did open it back up. Put that grease back in there. Well, she's there.